Number 1.
1981 Ford F150, price $7,500, shows 132,000 miles on the odometer and pairs its black exterior with a matching black interior. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a Holley-enhanced 4.9L straight-six engine mated to a C6 3-speed automatic transmission. While a fully mechanical 4x4 system ensures dependable off-road capability, the truck has benefited from numerous upgrades and replacements over time, including a completely renewed cooling system and recently replaced steering linkages, making the drivetrain both reliable and ready to drive. With its classic looks, it's the kind of pickup that earns appreciative nods as it cruises through town. Included with the sale are several spare parts at no additional cost, such as long tube headers and a fairly new Holley 2300 carburetor, along with service and repair records to document its maintenance history.
Number 2.
1984 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, comes with a clean blue title and is powered by a strong 350 motor paired with a 350 transmission. The truck has a clean interior and carries all the classic charm of an 80s square body, making it a solid candidate for someone who appreciates vintage pickups. Like many older trucks, it does have a few issues. The air conditioning is currently not functional, as the compressor was relocated during the motor swap and will simply need shorter compressor lines to be reconnected. The transmission has a small leak, most likely from the pan gasket, which is an easy fix. The gas gauge isn't working and will probably need a new sending unit, and there are a few rust spots, though all are reparable. Overall, it's not a perfect truck, but it's a clean classic with plenty of potential and some straightforward fixes that would bring it to the next level.
Number 3.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, finished in red with a tan interior and runs on gasoline. It is equipped with a 400 SBC paired with a 5.7 TBI top end, allowing it to remain fuel injected, and it features a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck includes power windows, power door locks, and air conditioning for added convenience. While the mileage is unknown due to a cluster change, the title reflects this accordingly. Recent work performed on the truck includes new head gaskets, head bolts, intake gaskets, valve cover gaskets, and a thermostat with gasket. It has also been fitted with new stainless shorty headers, painted black, a Y-pipe, muffler, starter, clutch kit, 2 new tires, as well as new headlights, marker lights, and taillights. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1981 Chevrolet Silverado, price $5,500, comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Finished in a fresh gray paint with a clean black interior, the truck has been given plenty of attention to make it both reliable and stylish. Under the hood, it features a rebuilt 400 engine with a small cam, paired with a transmission upgraded with a shift kit for smooth and responsive performance. It also sports brand new white leather tires, a new exhaust system with true Flowmasters, and headers, all of which add to its powerful sound and highway-ready capability. The truck has been lowered slightly in the rear, giving it a sleek stance, and comes with receipts to document all the recent work.
With nothing left to address, the Silverado is turnkey ready for the road. Number 5.
1999 GMC Sierra, price $6,500. It has 187,000 miles on it and is powered by gasoline through a reliable automatic transmission. Finished in a classic blue exterior with a matching blue interior, it remains in very good condition for its age. Under the hood, it features the dependable 350 Vortec engine, enhanced with a cool air intake and supported by new spark plugs and wires. The truck has received a complete front suspension rebuild, including brand new CV axles, pads, rotors, and calipers, ensuring smooth handling and safe braking. It also comes equipped with new tires and shocks, as well as LED lights all around for improved visibility. Inside, the cabin offers modern comfort with working AC and heat, upgraded interior switches, and a radio with speakers. A leveling kit is also included with the truck.
Number 6.
1983 Ford F250, price $4,000. It has 87,000 miles on it and is powered by the dependable 351 Windsor engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck is finished in brown on the outside with a matching tan interior, giving it a classic look that still carries plenty of character. It runs and drives as it should, making it well suited for farm use, work projects, or simply as a reliable old pickup. While there is a little bit of body rust in a few areas, the overall condition remains solid, and nothing mechanical appears to be wrong with it. With its low mileage, strong drivetrain, and straightforward design, this F250 is a good option for anyone in need of a durable workhorse.
Number 7.
1990 Chevrolet Silverado, price $8,200. It has been set up for both street and strip performance, making it a cool classic truck with plenty of upgrades. Under the hood, it's powered by a 454 truck motor equipped with a new aluminum intake, a cam kit, and a flamethrower HEI distributor, paired with Hedman headers for added performance. The transmission is a freshly built 700R4 with a shift kit and a 2600 assault converter, ensuring strong and reliable shifts. It rides on SS454 wheels with nearly new tires that have only about 500 miles on them. In the bed, the truck has been fitted with a fuel cell and a Holly Blue fuel pump to keep fuel delivery consistent. The drivetrain has been upgraded with 3.42 aftermarket gears and a POSI unit, along with a driveshaft loop and a modified rear suspension tailored for street and strip driving. To keep everything running cool, it features electric fans, along with a new transmission cooler in lines.
Number 8.
1993 Ford Ranger, price $4,000. This truck comes with a 3.0L V6 engine and automatic transmission. It's not the fastest or the prettiest, but it runs reliably with working heat and AC. The only known issues are the driver's unlock switch, the passenger lock switch, and the passenger window switch. The exterior shows dents, scratches, and chipped paint but no rust. Inside, the dash has some cracks, the door panels are secured with sheet metal screws, and the upholstery and carpet are worn yet usable. It's a 2WD model with a Yukon Duragrip positive traction rear end and rough country leveling springs in the front. Many parts have been replaced over time, with a new battery and alternator installed recently.
Number 9.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500. It features an automatic transmission, a short bed, and comes finished in blue with a tan interior. Under the hood sits the dependable 5.7L 350 CI small block Chevy engine, paired with an automatic transmission that still shifts smoothly. The truck is equipped with power windows, power disc brakes, and a tilt steering column for added comfort. It has recently received several important updates, including new upper and lower ball joints, a new alternator, a new battery, a new power steering pump, and upgraded headlights. It also rides on brand new radial all-season tires and has new rear axle U-bolts installed. In addition, the braking system has been refreshed with new brakes for dependable stopping power. While the AC does not currently work, the truck carries a clear title and remains a reliable daily driver.
Number 10.
1993 Ford F150, price $3,000. It has 158,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a regular cab paired with the hard-to-find 8-foot-long bed, making it both practical and versatile. Powered by the dependable 5.0L V8 engine and running on gasoline, this truck is configured with 2WD. The exterior is finished in blue, while the interior carries a burgundy tone that reflects the classic style of the era. Despite some rust and cosmetic wear that are typical for its age, the truck runs and drives well. With its combination of durability and utility, it serves as a great workhorse or a solid foundation for a restoration project.